Hey guys, today we're gonna install Kali Linux on Android smartphone, so it would be very easy for some of the phishing attacks or hacking things. And this was done by Janiki Pravin. He helped me a lot to make this video. And by the way, what are the requirements for the Kali Linux installation on our smartphone are given there. For this process we need 2 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of internal data, and no root is required. That's good, right? We don't need to root our smartphone while doing this process. For this process, initially we need to install the Kali Net Hunter application. That's a store for Kali Linux, and we need to install it from the Chrome or some other browsers you have. And by the way, we are providing a link in the description that you can directly go through it and download the store. That would be very easy for you, right? And after the completion of entire process, guys, here the password, VNC password, will be given as you like. You can give your own password, whatever you like. We have given 123456789 and that's what we have given, and now we should run it, and the screen orientation will be changed automatically after this. Yes, here the process has started and the Kali Linux has been installed. It's been running on our smartphone right now. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel until now, please do subscribe and click the bell icon beside it. Thank you so much.